I just can't push it. Okay. I'm at Lantern Lane behind the CVS. We were here the other day. Dalton ran the jet. Said he was getting hung up at about 150 to 200 feet. He dropped into the main that's behind the center here and all these houses. I'm right here with the camera. I'm going to pull it back to let you see here. This is all old pipe. Pretty rough. So if anybody flushes anything, it's going to get kind of hung up in here. Perhaps maybe we ought to put this place on a quarterly. I don't know how often it backs up, but see, there's a piece of human waste right there. I dropped in. Somebody's flushing right now. Somebody just flushed. So we'll see. I'm out about 70 feet right now. Again, it's old pipe, guys. You know, I'm thinking this is one good place to put on a quarterly. Again, like I said, folks, I don't know how often it's backing up, but my pipe's pretty rough. I got these little sags and bellies, but my cast iron's really rough. See how rough that is? It's even making my camera go, you know?
Yeah.
So you get a good old human waste in there, and it's just going to kind of roll for a little bit. See how close we are right here?
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? I can feel it on the camera.
It's a rough pipe. I'm talking
All right, somebody's flushing again. What is it? My flash? That's what fucked me?
Yeah.
Flash. Was that flash? No. It's flash.
Yeah, that should be flash.
Off.
Another flash.
Bathroom's a pretty busy bathroom. I've had 4 or 5 people flush since I've been sitting here. Everybody's got to go to the bathroom. Message. Chris. This is the cast iron line behind the CVS pharmacy. Pretty roughed up, as you can see, Chris. Perhaps maybe, I don't know how often this backs up, but maybe we should do this on a quarterly. I already jet those little tiny storm drains in the front. Jet those little tiny storm drains in the front. Jet the little storm drains in the front on a regular basis. Shithole right here.